Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my favorite drugstore products. My last makeup for beginners video did super good, so I felt like if I show you the best drugstore products to use, you could watch this one too. So I'll leave the card thing right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So when you first get your makeup process started, the first thing that you want to do is wash your face. That way you get any extra debris or any dirt or anything unwanted off your face, so it gives you more of a smoother surface to work with. The first thing that you're going to do after you wash your face is use a primer. Now my favorite is the Wet n Wild primer in, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water, and I'll put a picture right there because the ring light is making it extra bright, and when I bring it up there it just looks bad. So since it's a 3-in-1, I feel like it's good for beginners, so that way you're not trying to get setter and primer, so you're not trying to get two. It's just an all-around good product, and it helps keep the oil out of your face, like from going through your makeup when you wear the makeup. It also helps keep everything together. When I spray this, my makeup lasts fine throughout the day. So this is my favorite. After you set your face, I usually go to my eyebrows first. When I first started off, or on an everyday basis, I use one of these bad boys. This is just like a brown pencil, and I use it to draw on my eyebrows. Now some people use black, but brown works better for me because my hair isn't black, it's brown. So this works as a better color for me. You can get these from like the hair store. Pretty much all hair stores sell these. They're usually in the front or in the makeup section. They'll be like 99 cents a piece, so it's really cheap and definitely affordable and really easily accessible for beginners. The next product I'm going to talk about is concealer. This is my favorite brand. It's the LA Girl Pro Concealers. I have plenty. Like, I got on Amazon and stocked up on these bad boys, so you can get them off Amazon. You can get them usually from the hair store, like stores like Target and Walmart. They don't really sell these. You might catch them somewhere, but probably not. But these are the best go-to. They work super well. I use them on this look that you're seeing today, and I use them all the time. I tried to go to a different brand, a different drugstore brand, but it didn't really work out for me. So this, I know, is gonna give me good results. Next on my makeup routine, I usually do my eyeshadow. I personally use Juvia's Place. I didn't really work my way up when it came to eyeshadow. I just really went to the top. Juvia's Place is like the best. Like, it's real pigmented. I don't really even know what pigmented mean, but it's real pigmented, and it's really not even that expensive. You can catch it on sale all the time on their website. And high-end makeup artists use it all the time, so I'm like, if it's cheap and I can access it, I might as well get it. But this is one of the ones that I had got before, and I barely touched this, but this is the Profusion Cosmetic. I know a lot of people use these, and they're actually not that bad. They just take a little bit more work to get on your face. So here's the palette. Oh, that's a cute thumbnail. Let me find something else. Anyways, like I was saying, this is a good palette to work with. It definitely gives you a variety of colors. And you can get this at Target. I don't know if Walmart sells them, but definitely at Target. And especially now while we're quarantined, I know a lot of people like to stay in the house. So a lot of these items you can order offline from Target or Walmart and get them sent and shipped directly to your house. So after I do my eyes, I usually like spray my face again just to set the eyes, make sure they're not going nowhere, and then I move on to my foundation. For foundation, I have used Maybelline since the start, and I'm still using it today until I get enough money to step it on up. I mean, I can buy the higher end, but I just feel so comfortable with this. I'm like, move up for what? But the Maybelline Fit Me, these are my favorites. The one I'm using right now is the Matte Poreless. The matte poreless really does good. It gives you like a matte look. You don't want your face looking shiny. But the thing is, with the Dewy and Smooth that I had before, I really didn't have a problem with like shine either. So the matte poreless is what I'm using now, but I really don't see that big of an issue with the Dewy Smooth. But you can get this at Walmart, you can get this at Walgreens, CVS, Target. You can get this anywhere, and probably get it off Amazon too. After I put foundation all over my face, I usually go in with concealer under my eyes, here, and here. So I just used the same concealer I used earlier that I talked about when I do my eyebrows. So that's that. After I put all my concealer on, I usually put setting powder on top to set that concealer so I don't get that weird looking flashback on my face. Here's the Air Spun. There it is. And you can definitely get this at Target, Walmart, Walgreens. You can probably get it at the hair store. This is an easy go-to setting powder. It's not even expensive. I think it's like $7, $8, somewhere around there. And that is one of the best ones, one of the old faithfuls, you know, people go with. I didn't start out with that, but the person that used to do my makeup when I was in school, I still am in school, but when I was getting my makeup done by my friend, she would use the Sacha Buttercup, or she would use the Airspun. She would use that, and that always worked good on my face. I never had any complaints. But since she was telling me that the Sacha Buttercup was so good, I just went ahead and got the Sacha Buttercup. It was like $20, so that's a little more expensive than that one, but you know, it wasn't too bad. So after I conceal my face and I put the setting powder on, it's time to contour. I actually contour with this concealer. It's the LA Girl Pro again, but it's in a darker shade, so I put that like here, do a little here and a little here, so that way I can contour. But other than this, I use this. This is the True Complexion contour palette. You can get this at Walmart. I know it's at Walmart. You can get it at Target, I think, too. I use the light to medium, but they also have the medium to dark palette for us brown skin girls. And this is a very beginner friendly, because when you open it, y'all, it has the instructions right on in there how to use it. Yes, it's a little messy because of course I'm using it. I didn't just get it to show y'all, I got it to use it. And I've been using this since day one, and it comes with the contour, the sculpt, and the highlight. And you see I used the mess out of that highlight, but that's a beginner friendly highlight too, so you don't have to go nowhere else to buy a highlight. You can just get this palette. It tells you which one to do first. It tells you where they go. Like, it's just all written out verbatim of what you need to do. It even has a little picture right there to show you, so how can you fail with contour? After I use my contour, I'm pretty much finished with my makeup. I just blend everything in, and then I go back in with my setting spray, and baby, we're all done. Brush wash, I personally say the most cost-effective thing to do is to go like to Burlington or TJ Maxx or Marshall, go to the makeup section, and they have those brushes in the pack. You can get them anywhere between $4 to $10, and the brushes are really good. Like, there's nothing wrong with them at all. I've never had a problem with those brushes right there. Beauty blenders, you can get them wherever, so that's not really anything to worry about. As far as mascara goes, you know, just on a day-to-day basis, I use the Maybelline, the Colossal. This is it. It is a little faded a little bit, so I'll put a picture right there. And this usually is around like $7 a stick, and it definitely works good for me. I've never had any problems with this. The only thing is, I know there is better mascara out there, but this just has gotten me through. And when I tried to, you know, stick that foot out there and try something else, it just didn't work as good as this. So I just been sticking with this. I really want to go to the MAC mascara, but I had a bad experience with that, y'all. I went to TJ Maxx this one time, and I seen it. I'm like, oh my goodness, I can go ahead and get a high-end mascara and not pay that much for it. Got back to my dorm room, y'all, and that thing was empty. Like, put the flashlight in, you seen nothing but straight barrel. I tried it again, but the second time I went to the store, all of them were empty. Like, I looked in them before I bought them and they were all empty. So I just had a bad experience, so I just said forget it. It is what it is. If you have a good mascara, go ahead and drop that down below in the comments, and you can share that information with me, you know, and I might be able to find something better for myself. But that is all for this drugstore makeup product video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Of course, you can follow me on all social medias, TheRealJDoll on Twitter and Instagram, J2Q on Snapchat, and that's all. So thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys later.